Do you have the same problem as I have after my riding season? A lot of gas canister that's half full or almost empty. So to solve that problem with all those canister, I used to refill gas from almost empty canister over to a half full canister. So in this video, I will show you how I do when I refill my gas canister. To do this operation, I have some tools. I have this gas canister adapter, and I also have a scale that measures in gram. And you need to have a good scale to be able to do this operation, or what you call it. My receiving canister I store in the refrigerator, the freezer, refrigerator, the freezer. So that's because I want to lower the pressure in the canister so it can receive the gas from those donors. So I will go and get one of them at a time. Those canister used to weigh about 380 gram when they are full, but I rarely fill them over 370 gram to be sure that I have some extra space in them. So this is my receiver that I have taken from the freezer, and I will start to fill from this one because this one is the one with the damaged thread. The first thing I will do is to measuring the receiving canister to see how much it weighs. And I have 282 gram in it. We'll take off this cap. Yeah, 279 gram. So I can fill about 100 gram in this one. And this one weighs 204 gram. The canister itself weighs about 150 gram. So it's about 50 gram of gas in this canister. So it shouldn't be any problem to take gas from this canister into this one. The receiver, the donor, and I will open this adapter, and now the gas is going from the donor canister to the receiver canister. I don't know if you can hear it. I believe you can. When it's not sounding anymore, I will take off this canister and measure both of them to see how much of gas I have been able to take from this one to this one. Now it's ready. It's now 158 gram, which means it's around 8 gram of gas left in this one. This canister has been warmed up by the gas, so I will change it to another receiver instead of this one. and put this back in the freezer. And I will put it on the scale to see how much I can fill in this one. 345, which means that I can put around 30 gram of gas in it. Let's try to take some more of this one. It weighs 158. The thing is, when the canister is almost empty, it will be harder and harder to get the gas to go from the canister to the receiver, because the pressure is lower. So it can be a little tricky to take all the gas out of the canisters. I am holding on the canister to warm it up with my hands to make the gas go a little faster from the donor to the receiver. Put it on the scale. $156, so 2 gram, but it's still a small amount of gas in it. Uh, 348, so 3 gram of gas. I have to change the receiver. And this is how you have to do. Just keep on put the receiver in the freezer and wait so that the donators will warm up a little, and keep on doing like this. I have now kept on like this for a couple of times, and I'm ready right now. It's no meaning to try to get more out of the canister than this. 12 gram of gas I was able to take from this one, 57 gram of gas from this one, and 21 gram of gas I was able to take from this one. I will now do a test with a small burner to see how well I have managed to empty those canister. It's probably a small amount of gas left in them, but not much. But it's no meaning to try to keep on like this, because you lose a small amount of gas every time you take on and off the canister, and so it's no meaning to try to get them completely empty with this adapter to save that gas. I can't get it to burn. This one is empty. Here you still have some gas left. As you can see, it's not completely empty. It's hard to say how much it is in it. But it's not completely empty, as you can see. And this one, yes, it's a small amount of gas left in this one as well. I wasn't able to get them completely empty, so I will try and see if there is enough of gas to make me a cup of tea. Just enough to make a cup of tea in them. Okay, that was all for this time. I hope that you liked the video, and if there is something special you want me to talk about or show in my videos, please leave a comment below. And I really hope that you follow my channel and stay on it for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next. Bye.